The interplay between consciousness and quantum mechanics is a topic that dives deep into the heart of both physics and philosophy. The peculiarities of quantum behavior present a stark departure from our classical understanding of the universe. This quantum oddity challenges not only our comprehension but also the very framework we use to understand reality. The interpretation of quantum mechanics remains a subject of intense debate among physicists. The idea that consciousness could directly influence quantum systems is among the more mystically inclined interpretations that have emerged from the quantum conundrum. According to the Copenhagen interpretation, the act of observation is fundamental in determining the state of quantum systems. This leads to the conclusion that before measurement, quantum systems do not possess definite properties. Instead, they exist in a superposition of possibilities described by a wavefunction which only collapses to a definitive state upon measurement. The Copenhagen interpretation's assertion that reality is not well defined until observed brings consciousness close to the heart of quantum mechanics. It suggests a universe where the material and the mental are intertwined at a fundamental level. However, it's crucial to distinguish between the philosophical implications of quantum mechanics and its scientific predictions. The idea that consciousness can influence quantum systems in a way that allows for the manifestation of reality as willed by the observer stretches beyond the scientifically accepted interpretations of quantum mechanics. The double-slit experiment illustrates the counterintuitive nature of quantum systems. It shows how particles like electrons can exhibit wave-like interference patterns, suggesting that they pass through both slits simultaneously when not observed. Yet, this phenomenon does not imply that consciousness or observation creates reality in a mystical sense. Instead, it highlights the need for a more nuanced understanding of what measurement means in the quantum realm and how quantum systems transition to the classical behaviors we observe in the macroscopic world. In exploring the relationship between consciousness and quantum mechanics, we are forced to confront the limits of our current scientific understanding and the profound mysteries that remain at the foundation of reality. While quantum mechanics has revolutionized our ability to predict and manipulate the quantum world, the interpretation of its deeper philosophical implications remains open to exploration and debate.